Your people do important work. They carry responsibility, pressure, and often more than anyone else can see. I'm Silouan Green. For more than 20 years, I've helped first responders, military units, public agencies, leaders, and organizations build stronger leadership, healthier cultures, and greater resilience under pressure. My work is not about giving people a temporary emotional lift that disappears when they leave the room. It is about helping people understand the pressures they face, strengthen trust and communication, reconnect with their purpose, and lead with practical tools they can begin using immediately. Every program is built around the people in the room and the mission they carry. Now, that may be a keynote, a workshop, a leadership retreat, a full day of training, or a longer organizational initiative. But together, we can focus on leadership, workplace culture, mental fitness, peer support, trauma and recovery, or the specific challenges facing your organization right now. Now, my work comes from lived experience, military leadership, trauma and recovery, and more than 2 decades spent serving people who carry real responsibility. I will meet your people honestly, challenge them respectfully, and help them take meaningful steps forward. If your organization is looking for something practical, authentic, and built to make a lasting impact, tell me about your people, your challenges, and what you hope to accomplish. Together, we can build the right program.